So we are aboard Utopia the Seas, and the Crown Lounge has been moved from Deck 4 to Deck 16 to make room for a bigger, non-smoking casino. And here we have the host desk that could help you with any needs, just like guest services without waiting on the line. And as you can see here, unlike Deck 4, which was inside a box with just a virtual window, they now have portholes that you can see outside. We took this at night, but during the day, there's quite a bit of sunlight that comes in through those windows. As you can see, there's plenty of seating here, some very nice wall decor, and just a great place to come and relax. Now, in order to gain access to the Crown Lounge, you have to be a Crown and Anchor Society member at Diamond level or above. Now, as we head on over to the corner here, you got the best part of the Crown Lounge, the coffee maker. Cappuccinos, espressos, or just a good Americano. You can also have a variety of teas over here. And as you can see, there's a buffet area where they serve a continental breakfast in the morning and hors d'oeuvres in the evening during happy hour 5 to 8. And that is the new Crown Lounge aboard the Utopia of the Seas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.